Hey everyone, I'm Anthony and this is the Biotech Brief, where I give you short and simplified updates about the biotech industry. So as you might remember from biology class, DNA code is written using just 4 different bases, A, T, G, and C. And it's these 4 bases that are responsible for creating all life forms on the planet. So you can imagine how big of a deal it would be if we figured out how to expand the genetic alphabet by creating new building blocks that work exactly like those 4 DNA base pairs work now. Well, this brief will talk about how one biotech startup called Synthorx has done just that by designing 2 new bases to include in the genetic alphabet. Again, keep in mind that all life is made up of just the 4 DNA letters I mentioned earlier. So this startup has increased the alphabet we have to work with by 50%. What that means is that they can use these new building blocks of life, which don't exist in nature, to eventually create completely new drugs like painkillers, antibiotics, and cancer treatments. Now, this is all important for a couple reasons. First, the creation of 2 new DNA building blocks, which are known as X and Y, is a scientific landmark itself. And secondly, when you consider what could be created using these new building blocks, it's really amazing. For instance, one project the startup is now working on would turn spider venom into a non-addictive painkiller. Another idea would help diabetics. As you may know, currently diabetics need to inject insulin on a daily basis. But by using these new building blocks, scientists could create a longer lasting insulin that would only need to be injected every few days or even once a week. I tend to agree with the scientists who say that if this technology works as it is expected to work, then it will be nothing short of revolutionary. For more info on what's going on in the biotech industry, make sure to follow the Biotech Brief on Facebook, Twitter, or YouTube, and I'll see you next time.